So it's late at night and I'm watching the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2. Leatherface does the truffle shovel, just like Chunk from the Goonies. Behold. Run, lady, run. Don't become the next victim. Oh, I can't hold the camera. Wait for it, wait for it. Truffle shuffle. Truffle shuffle. Truffle shuffle. And then he stops. He's gonna do it again because, just in case you didn't get it. I think he poses right here. Truffle shuffle. So, all that to say, I have a new theory. I think that Chunk from Goonies, he went bankrupt, became a meth head, and ultimately became Leatherface. And there's video evidence of that in Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2.